Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like, them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Viewers' discretion is advice. One more time. Viewers' discretion is advice. Dear my wonderful friend, it's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. As you can see, viewers and subscribers, it's a new look, a new countryman. Honestly, I don't want to know what I look like. So I look like, yeah, or some look. You understand? Now, you can leave on a comment and let me know if you like this new look. Cause me have to clean up myself, you know. Now, with that said, I want to big up Editor Boss. And me have another boss who I want to big up. And me have to call him St Lucia Boss. And him know who me a talk. See? Cause St Lucia Boss, and you make certain things possible. Respect in all aspects. Now, we talk about lean back, and lean back from my intel tell me is very sick, and I get a news flash. I may have to update the people them on this. So I want to sit back and hold tight. Let's go. Well, I heard lean back is back in town, and he was over in his neck of the woods trying to beat up the man them and lash up the man them, and people were talking about it. I don't know if it's because I exposed his little dirty secret and people are talking, because I heard because of his situation over in Grass Street, it is creating a lot of fiction. Now, there's also another thing. This young man, or I should say old man, lean back, Mr. Joseph, was spotted with another. He was spotted on Swan Street in Barbados with a girl that looks like SCHANNEL. They looked very much alike. Now, I have to talk the facts to the people them. The young lady that he is with, I don't know if that's his sister or his girl. If that's his sister, she is helping him, you know, to go take treatment. But if that's his girl, she's helping him spreading the virus, and that's not good. Remember now, him have his mother and sister lives there in Barbados, and they won't even tell him to check himself into a facility. Now, anybody out there who have a recent photo of a picture of lean back, new name, Maga Dog, please send it to me, okay? Cause I know he doesn't look like the picture in my vlog. Yes, people, he doesn't look like that anymore. We probably won't even recognize him. He was spotted in Barbados with this young lady because he had went to Barbados to get himself checked out on certain things, plus, you know, his mother and him have probably brother and sister there. You understand? So this young lady, she was spotted with him in Barbados, and my intel tell me she comes from St Lucia. Now, she comes from St Lucia, and you want to tell me she don't hear the talk and all the bullshit going on with this young man? Lean back. and she is still posing with him and going places with him like Barbados. A real bizarre situation, and
don't forget to like and subscribe.
What I'm gonna name this young lady. So you see, for this baby, you know me, I call you Bizarro, Miss Bizarro, because this whole situation with you and Leanback, it is really bizarre. I look at it as bizarre because everybody in St Lucia know what this guy is about and know what's going on, and you as a young woman, you pick up yourself and you start spar with him. Now, not only is he sick with that thing, but he's also a career criminal who seems to can't achieve anything. Might have a 1 car, 2 car, whatever. That's it. Career criminal, alleged murderer. It's out of this world, okay, that this guy is sick and he is allowed to go back into Grass Street. There is no order in St Lucia. St Lucia is lawless. No health ministry. Nobody in authority. You understand? And not only that, I said this earlier, how can he go back into Grass Street and beat up the man them? You understand? After this, the man them is a coward in Grass Street. You know why Grass Street gangster them is like that? Them is the slave who turn the other cheek. You understand? Them not the bad slave from Jamaica. Them not the bad slave from Trinidad. Them not the bad slave from Guyana. They stand for nothing. They have no order allowing this to continue. Now, there is a man called Crebo. He's from Grass Street, and I've seen him on TV on a Rasta program, yo. Crebo is Scarecrow father. I call on Prince. I call on all senior members. Push out this AIDS victim. He's not from Grass Street. He is just a maga dog seeking refuge. I know Leanback used to be around the gummy bears. Them guys should get checked because them fuck all the same girl. Them nasty, yo. Yeah, I'm talking about the same gummy bear from Baccarat. I'm talking about the same gummy bears them who shoot up the car with fear. Them need to get checked. I am sad to say St Lucia is simply beautiful with some ugly characters. Can you imagine a guy who has done so much pillaging and rampage? The authorities has not looked at him. Can you imagine? This is a man who have paid the DPP allegedly large sum of money to keep his ops in prison. Karma is a bitch. Quote unquote, large sums of money, you know, to keep his ops in jail. Now, can you imagine the authorities there in St Lucia listen to my vlog and consider it as gossip? A matter that is as serious as this. This man involved in a murder, AIDS, and the authority still would not have him checked out. Can you imagine? He's allowed to run around in St Lucia with impunity, with a girl at his side like Bonnie and Clyde. Ha 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 ha. My name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.